What's up guys, it's Eli here back again with another video, and today we're going to be looking at the B bracket or D bracket depending on the type of modifier bracket that you got, which is in this form. So what's the purpose of this B or D bracket? Well, this is a good way to start if you want to advance your photography and start dealing with things like umbrella modifiers when you're doing flash photography, or even video content creating, like you're making videos and you need modifiers by adding external lights to that footage. So this is what you're going to want to get, because this is a very beginner friendly and very robust small tool that you can get. So what does this do? So a good few neat tricks that this has is that it has a hot shoe mount design, which allows you to attach things like your modifier and your speed lights. So types of modifiers that you can add to this are things like your umbrellas. Umbrellas can fit through this small hole here, and you attach them and you screw them in, and yeah, you attach your modifier there, and then you can bounce or reflect light like speed lights like the one I have here. So if you have your umbrella, all you have to do is attach it to the hot shoe mount, and also make sure everything's fastened and tightened down. Sync up everything, turn it on, and you're good to go. That's why you're gonna get this little guy, and trust me, from just the few couple of days I've had this, it's an amazing tool. It just feels so, what's the word? Tough. I guess this is a basic, simple word I can use in this scenario. It seems tough, reliable, and it just gets the job done without you doing some weird DIY, finicky, non-reliable solutions, which I've actually been doing. Because even right now, this is the only bracket I have, and I'll be using for my light setup going forward. But right now, I have a junky setup, as you can see. Yeah, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get the job done, but over time you just gotta have to spend some bucks, guys. Let's not chip out on everything, and this is one of those tools that I would recommend you get. So um if you're looking for, it's just unfortunately that this is one of those tools that wasn't branded when I bought it. Even the box just came out blank. I didn't have any name and everything, but you can always look it up on Google. You're gonna find it. It goes under the names of a B bracket or a D bracket, and this is gonna pull up. And you can also look up for umbrella modifier bracket to a light stand. So right now here I have one of those small light stands that use I'm not sure if it's a contour mount screw hole. You can attach it to that, and if you have one of those with a bigger like something like maybe like a C stand, and it's got one of those bigger screw mounts, you can also adapt that to that. It's an all-in-one. Just give me a second, push up that, and there you go. You can screw that in just right there, and it gets the job done. Now, if you can't see, let me just zoom in for you guys. Right there, you get that. So you get both options. You get the small screw mount, or you get the bigger insert. You know, and it's very satisfying, the clunky industrial feel that this little guy has. And I love this too. Like, I know that I'm gonna do some practical out in the field shots just to show you guys how to easily quickly set it up. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this for a beginner friendly additional to your toolkit and things. If you're wondering, what do I get? Do I need to go straight into the if I'm not mistaken, should be the S mount, something SM mount. I'm not sure. I'll put that somewhere there. Yeah, one of those bigger modifier mounts, ones that you have to add your strobe lights and the likes. You can just start with this, get yourself a good budget friendly beginner speed light like the Godox TT522. That's gonna get the job done, even though it doesn't have things like high speed sync. You get yourself a good umbrella modifier, the see-through, the reflector ones, and trust me, you get some good lighting, and it gets you to understand how lighting works with these tools. And yeah, you be on your journey to doing something with the little things that you get. So guys, so without further ado, we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, you can please leave a like. Please subscribe and support the channel for me to continue making these videos, and hopefully one day I'll be able to make money off these videos, so at least I can also invest in other cool things. And yeah, but at the end of the day, regardless, sometimes you gotta have the passion for some of these things, and that's what we're gonna keep on doing. So don't forget to go out there, shoot, repeat, and do it all over again, and you keep learning and improving your skills, honing your skills, and yeah. So let's keep learning, let's keep sharing, guys. And I learned a lot from you guys in the videos, and I've got a couple of videos coming up. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna enjoy. So if you wanna watch some of the other interesting videos I've done, you can, you know check up in one of the cards. And yeah, enjoy. Thanks. Ciao. See you in the next one.